I mean, as long as you're winning. Because not like us, like, we the second game, you should have won that.
Right.
But then we went down, and like I said, came back in time.
Really ask me what he said.
Hey, let's focus. How did Yolanda's team do? Nobody saw them. I know she spoke to us too. She said she was
It was right over here.
fired up. Let's get fired up. Hey, Nels. Nels. Yes. This is Miami Wade.
What?
This is Miami Wade. All right, here we go. 15 points.
Okay, coach.
That's what they were doing.
Okay, good.
Yeah, a little early.
Mom! Mom! Nice, Stella. Nice job.
Up in the air. Ball's up in the air. Nice shot, Aiden. 2 minutes to go. Coming to you.
Look at it. It doesn't look like it's that far, but it's a far.
All right, Olive, you owe me 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. You gotta get it in. That's 1, Olive.
You got this, Olive!
That's 2, Olive. Olive, you can stay right back here, girl. Liv, give me 1. Unless you ain't bring her chocolates this game. You ain't bring her
She
chocolates.
did. She just ate them all.
Liv, what flavor is that? Liv, what flavor is that?
The pie. Not actually. Sea salt and lime. Oh yeah. Amy! Amy! Bella's calling. It's alright. Oh yeah,
Smart, Addie. Nice job.
You made me sleep all summer. Well, you telling them to say something? You got it, you got it. Nice spot, Eddie. Don't come in.
Free ball. Out.
Yum, yum. Ooh, girl.
Drink.
Let's finish above
Yes.
the head.
Yeah, because Addie just served. Addie just missed her serve. Yes.
Finish above your head.
Go on, Britt. Nice effort.
Go. Go, Eddie. Hey. Audrey, that ball is gonna tip the gun. That's a roll. She jumping elbow. We gotta see her.
Empress, you're over there. You just served. You just served. You just served.
In the corner. See it right. See it right.
Right.
Where are you in the right side?
I know.
Heads up, heads up.
We know more rotation better than this. We know our kids look Nails is sick. Let's go, me.
Hey, nice and high. Let's go. Come on.
Nice.
Go.
Short.
Gotta be high up. Stella. Stella.
Yeah, he over.
Come on, man. That line's man.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Go.
Nice ball. Let's go.
Go. Oh, Stella. Nice dig, Addie. Empress, you're in between
Addie,
Addie
you're-
and
Right. Yeah. There you go.
that shows the coaches don't know rotation.
I know.